Do not trust your brokerage. I don't trust Fidelity. I'm trying to get out of it. I'm trying to unwind my positions out of Fidelity over-the-counter markets for their grayscale stocks. I'm trying to unload. So we saw it yesterday, guys. We saw Charles Schwab basically, it was like CrowdStrike all over again. People were just not able to access their funds. You might say, well, you know, it's back up and running today, and they were, you know, people should be happy they did that. That way, you know, we wouldn't have all sold. Wrong. Okay, wrong in every level. If the market wakes up and stocks are crashing, and the brokerages just have the ability to say, oh no, we're gonna not let our retail traders trade. We're just gonna fix this issue. We're gonna call up the Japanese Bank of Japan, and we're gonna fix the issue, and then we'll let them trade tomorrow. Do you not see a huge red flag with this? And I see a lot of broker dealers and hedge funds around on YouTube space basically saying, oh, well, we had no problem trading yesterday. Trading was fine for us. That's not the majority of people. That might be where the majority of the money's coming from, guys, but that's not the majority of the people that watch this channel and what the choir that we're preaching to. So, you know, even Robinhood was down. The after hours 24/7 settling agency they use for settlements, it was down yesterday too. And we've seen this happen a lot since, I want to kind of pin it to when we started seeing those bank failures last year. You know, the Silicon Bank failures and all that last year. It seems like these kind of incidences have been a lot more frequent. It's happened with GameStop. It's happened numerous times. So if these brokerages don't have the technology or the ability to execute trades when just a little bit of volatility comes into the market, that is your sign, guys. That is your sign that not only are stocks and equities overbought, but there is price manipulation happening that actually hurts the retail investor. These kind of, if I wanted to wake up and trade and sell off my ETF VIX holdings that I've been holding since last Thursday through Charles Schwab, I would have probably likely not been able to. You know, and just because the rest of the market is fucking losing money on a Friday or on a Monday, I could be gaining money on a Monday, but I can't get out of my trade. And now if you look at some of the VIX ETFs, they're down. They've wiped out pretty much most of the gains. You know, VIXI, TVIX, some of these. So, you know, this is all theoretical, guys. I didn't actually go into these, even though I was telling you on the channel, like, hey, if you guys are getting worried about the market, I said it on Thursday, pile into the VIX ETFs, and look, Monday, look how fucking high those went. But like I said, if you were in some of these brokerages, you weren't able to trade out of these stocks. You weren't able to, or ETFs, you weren't able to trade out of these ETFs. Therefore, you were not able to capture gains. And this is a lot to do with mismanagement of funds, guys. This is fraud, basically. They're actually frauding the retail investor, but people aren't, the people in these brokerages accounts, most of them don't know what the fuck they're doing anyways. And I would say that the ones that do have their class whatever license and they're operating a hedge fund, or at least acting as a money manager for their own funds or someone else's, where they have special privileges that the average retail trader without the license does not get. So it shouldn't be about like, oh, I have to get the license. That's not the point of the video. So I want to try to take this topic, and now we're going to go back over to the crypto world, where we've seen the same type stuff happen on coins like Solana, on meme tokens, on meme markets. Got to remember, guys, anything with a blockchain is its own market. So, you know, all these ERC20 tokens, those are all part of the Ethereum market. They might have trading pairs with BTC. You're opening up another market with that trading pair. But for the most part, most of these ERC20 tokens are all pinned to the Ethereum markets, just like Solana, just like the meme tokens, just like every single token that's built on their blockchain using their token derivatives products. They're just functions of a input and output based on whatever coin or blockchain they're using, aka Solana, aka Ethereum. So my point is it's very important to be able to get out of a trade, whether or not you're trading or not, whether or not I'm trading a coin, a stock, it's very important to get, you want to be able to, it's not about whether or not the liquidity is there. It's about whether or not the functionability of the platform, aka the brokerages, Robinhoods, Charles Schwab, and or the functionable blockchain, Solana. And a lot of times, guys, when the most opportunistic moments in crypto are happening, you can't even get in or out. You can get in, but you cannot get out. And that is a problem. That is a major, major problem. That's why, and same with stocks, the most opportunistic times, which was yesterday and today. It was just today you could use your fucking account. So yesterday is irrelevant. Your fucking funds are stuck and you're now only capturing gains. For instance, that VIXI stock I was telling you about, you're only capturing gains after the fact, which the gains aren't even there now. So let's look at that, guys. Let's apply that also to crypto and see that the same things happen in crypto and all the fucking time. It's happened on Solana so many times. Solana's rallying, meme tokens are rallying on Solana. I go on the wallet. It's not tradable, guys. Drop it in the comments, let me know.